I really like this thing. It's just so cool. And this is like a really nice, like satisfying aluminum. It has some heft to it, so you don't have to worry about the dish falling over, which I really do appreciate. But yeah, let me get this set up on the porch and we'll take a look at it and fire it up. Okay, so I removed that from the dish and we went ahead and popped this one on. Then this is just going to go in here like that. Then I will put the screw back in. I'll do that real fast. That is fastened in there now. So then we're just going to take the battery. We take the big end because it's metal thread on there. There you go. We'll do the tripod as well. If you already have that attached and you were just doing this, now I plug in the power cord and we're good to go, like less than a minute. Like, that's great. So let me go get this set up outside. We'll get it hooked up and we'll do a bandwidth test on my phone just to show that it's working. So quick pro tip, I would plug it in before you put it on the thing because, yeah, make your life a little bit easier. So here I have not plugged it in. I just plugged it in. We'll turn it on. It has the green power indication light. Let me look at my other dish. Optimal placement would be about there. Here we are in the Starlink app. It is calculating the orientation. Oh, see this cool beetle over here?